Okay. So do you know or have you heard of public health informatics?
Until 6 months ago, I actually did not know anything about applied health informatics. It was only until I came here and my assistant Jules started working for me that he gave me a mini explanation of what he does. So
What do you know about public health informatics?
basically, what I know of it is that it has to do with anything that has to do with technology and health and medicine. So he gave me examples like databases or like assessment or public health. Basically, yeah, any way to kind of, I guess, improve the efficiency of like hospitals or record keeping or just evaluating different health systems.
Definitely. So it is a broad field, but health informatics looks into the environment, work, and living spaces to assess communities and their health. Because the main focus of public health informatics is to improve the healthcare status of a community rather than the individual. So, in an effort to gain knowledge on the status of a community, geospatial analytics or geomapping is used to track down health indicators across the nation. Are you familiar with geospatial analytics or geomapping?
I am not. I can only guess based off the word that if it's geospacing, it sounds like something to do with geography.
Yeah, definitely. So it's when researchers pull high quality data and patient data to formulate analysis and result in a particular community. So what do you think about geomapping and do you find it beneficial?
Yes, I do. I actually, I'm just remembering now, it's been a few years, but I did a paper about environmental justice, and I talked about how your environment and your health are very much connected. So I think that establishing or recognizing that connection and making sure that your environment is healthy or that it has the right resources is very important to improving, I guess, your health as a community.
Definitely. Thank you. And how do you think this can benefit your community back at home?
I guess just speaking generally, I think that just evaluating anything in your local area to know what resources are available, maybe what isn't available, and to just make sure that if there's any local companies, making sure they're following their practices, making sure there's no pollution or any new factors that might be changing the environment. Because I am super aware that sometimes if a new company comes in and then if they start polluting the area, the air, water or air, it could lead to increased cancer rates or different types of illnesses. So I think it is really important to be constantly aware and evaluating your surroundings.
Thank you.
No problem.